Welcome to the Animal Science program at San Angelo ISD, where students explore the science, business, and care of animals in various environments, from the farm to the lab. In the Animal Science program, students gain hands-on experience in caring for animals, studying their behavior, and learning about the health and life processes of a wide range of species. Students learn practical skills in diagnosing animal health issues, treating diseases, and providing rehabilitation. These real-world experiences prepare them for careers in veterinary medicine, farming, wildlife management, and more.
So my vet med class actually does teach a lot about diseases and medicines and all of that, and we go over small animals, large animals, and I also have taken livestock classes. It's really helpful to be in the classroom learning and then coming out here and applying it to my animals.
Students not only study animal science in the classroom, but they also work hands-on with livestock and wildlife. Whether learning to raise farm animals or researching wildlife, this program builds a foundation for future careers in agriculture and animal care.
I love the community. I've made a lot of lifelong friends. I've met a lot of people who are going to help me in the future, especially with what I want to do, which is the livestock production. It's not just an in-school community, it's everywhere.
Students in the Animal Science program also have the chance to participate in FFA competitions, showcasing their skills and gaining real-world experience in livestock management.
I plan to graduate high school and then go to ASU and study animal science and agribusiness. I do want to start my own livestock production program. So I would breed goats and sell them. This program has really helped me because it taught me everything I need to know about goats.
Discover the Animal Science program at SAISD, where students learn to care for animals and prepare for exciting careers in veterinary science, agriculture, and wildlife management.